Okay, I'm going to try to make a video on how to set up a Tadano 100-ton rough terrain crane. And the basic layout is pretty simple once you've been in it and look everything over. But we're just going to start it up. First thing you got to look at is the computer, and normally you have to push the counterweight button and tell it what size counterweight it has. In this case, I've already done that when I first got in the crane because it's snowing. That should shut the first alarm off that it has. The next is going to be your outriggers. Push the outrigger button. And currently now I've only got 2 outriggers down because we're not making a pick with the crane. Next is going to be the parts of line. In this case we have 4 parts of line on the big block. And you hit this, that's basically the OK symbol. And on a 100-ton, you need to tell it, if you're on a single part line, we're going to do that. That'll make it single part because it uses the auxiliary. But in this case, we're not. Or if you want to do the jib, see, you set your jib up, whatever you want. But in this case, we're going back to the, because we got to pick up about 40,000 pounds. We're going to hit OK. Now it's going to ask you which section of boom that you want out. In this case, they have it set up to where the first section of the boom stays in. But I don't want that. I'm going to go with the strongest pick point and a short boom. So we are pretty much good to go. I need to raise my outriggers, so I'm going to push that and then the up button. And of course this is the left front, left rear, right rear, or you can go in the center and it raises them totally. Right here's your swing brake. Previous operator did not set it for some reason. And of course you have your normal controls. And the alarm you hear is because I left the outrigger buttons in the on position. Hope this helps somebody. Your controls are normal. Your big hoist, your boom. Over here, and I'm sorry if it's a little squirrely. Your auxiliary hoist and your swing. You do need to know this. If you're booming the crane out and you get to 68 feet and it stops, you need to hit this button. See the symbol? Hit that button, hold it, continue to boom the crane, and it will boom, continue to boom out after you hit this button. It's some safety feature they have. I'm sure somebody can correct me on what it's here for. And of course here's all your steering controls. Hope this helps somebody in the future.